Good morning, everybody. Welcome to episode 356. 9 left to go. And it's Florida again. The sun's freaking out. So, I don't know what time baby badger's getting here, but she's going to get here. I'm going to change her oil. I may change Neve's oil. I don't know if she's due or not, so I'm going to have to check that. Got a list of stuff to do before I blow out of here tonight to go to the Pink concert. So, I'll give you guys a little preview. I'll have it all on the car later so you can see it in real time, but I painted the body last night. I think it turned out pretty freaking good. What do you guys think? Not bad for my first body, my second body ever, and my first body in 20 years. So it turned out good, I think. Anywho, it's time for some coffee. Bicycle ride's over, and away we go. Alright guys, so in yesterday's video you saw that I got the RC car all built. It is ready to run. I'm sure it's not ready to race, but I'm going to try to get to the track this week. It won't be in a race, it'll just be practice. So that'll allow me to get on the track, get a feel for the car on the track, get in some practice, learn the controls, you know, all that stuff that you've got to do in order to get better, right? Because just like everything, practice makes perfect. Isn't that what your parents always told you? Practice, practice, practice. So you start learning muscle memory with your throttle, with your steering, all of that. And I just need to get to work on that. But anyway, last night I did get it all painted up. I'm 75% happy with the way it turned out. The paint looks awesome. I just screwed up the wings. So I guess learning, here we go. So here is the RC with the body on it. I think the paint turned out really good. That's going to look awesome running around the track. I'm pretty excited about that. Now, here's what I screwed up. This does look awesome, right? I think. Problem is, it mounts like this. So you're going to see the inside of the painted and not the actual outside. And the front wing is the exact same way. You're going to see the inside, not the outside. Now I do have another clear front wing, so I am undecided whether I'm going to try to paint the outside and make this look right, or if I'm just going to leave it clear, or I may just say, you know, fuck it and run what I made. I do not know yet. But that's the part I'm not happy about. Otherwise, I think the body turned out awesome. I think the car will look awesome running down the track. Should be visible. That was the other thing, is when you're in a group of cars, right? You want your car to be visible so that you don't get confused as to which car you're racing. So that's nice and bright and visible and not bad for my second body ever painted. At least that's in my opinion. But you tell me guys, what do you guys think? Did it turn out good? Now if I can just go racing it. So I had a toolbox that Angie bought me 20 years ago for my RC stuff. I had all my T-Max stuff in it, all my Basher stuff. So I've kind of converted it over. I took and cleaned up a lot of the dirt on it. And then it has little tool pouches here, so you can put different tools and stuff in there. One here, one there. And then there's a tool rack and then a big area down here. So that's where we're going to start. That's going to be my pit box that I carry with me when I go to the track. And like I said, that's where we'll start. I've got like virtually no spare parts for this buggy. So once I get to driving it and riding it, if I could ride it, that'd be super cool. Honey came to say hi to me. That's why I'm petting her. But anyway, once I get a feel for what I need, then I can buy those spare parts so that I've got them in stock if, you know, the stuff that normally breaks or wears on the car. You get to learn that stuff pretty quick if you spend much time on the track. So my plan is to get a lot of practice in, get better and better, and then go see the guys and see if I can compete in the racing realm. But anyway, that's it. The car is ready to room. And I'm super excited about it. And honey wants some attention today. Hi, hunters. Anyway, that's done. Now moving on to the next thing. I'm waiting on Desi to get here so I can change her oil. I'm going to change Neve's oil, and then I'm headed to Orlando to see Neve and Mama, and we're going to go to the Pink concert. Here we go. All right, so I'm all packed up and ready to go to Orlando to watch Pink in concert. Waiting on Baby Badger to get down here so I can change oil. And of course, Ameswell's in the house. So she told me last weekend that she was going to come and get her oil changed, and I didn't have any of the supplies. This is the first time I've changed it on her Honda because she had a couple of free oil changes at the dealership. So anyway, she told me she needed it, so I hopped online, Ameswell, and there's a link below if you want to click on get your own Ameswell. Anyway, and ordered it up. It was here in 2 days, so it's here ready for her. And since I've got time to kill, and I haven't really got to bash any this weekend, I think I'm going to fire up the old T-Max and see what kind of destruction we can incur. Here we go. Well, I'm bummed. I forgot to get a starter battery for the T-Max when I was at the hobby shop the other day. What I got are old and they're like worn down, so I can charge them up for an hour and get, you know, a couple minutes use out of them, but I don't have an hour to waste charging it up. So anyway, since that's the case, I guess I'll leave the T-Max parked and I'll just go out and play with the buggy. Because damn it, I'm going to play with something today. Here we go. All right, I got the T-Max up and going again. So we're going to do some bashing still. Waiting on Dez. Man, what a drastic difference in the two. Precision, speed, control, out of control, riding wheelies, running through ditches, running over stuff, bashing. Two very different feels. Bashing is super fun. I can't wait to get to the track to see how much fun it is racing the car. But just out in the yard, in the street, this thing is way more fun than this thing. But this isn't a track truck, at least a carpet track. Maybe a dirt track. Anywho, still waiting on Des, so what else can I play with? Alright, so we're driving to Orlando. We're on I-4, and check this thing out. If this guy will get the fuck out of my way. You get the fuck out of my way! I want to see the car! Oh, and people are slowing down to look at the car. No, come on. Oh, I'm never going to get up beside it. Stay tuned for a cool car. Here we go. Oh, check this thing out. I do not know what the fuck. It looks like an airplane cockpit. That's cool as fuck. That is awesome. I want one. Alright, and now we're all coming to a stop. Because we're on fucking I-4! I hate traffic.
Where's he at?
He's coming. He'll be coming back by us here in just a second. Here he comes. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. That's badass. Oh, by the way, there's Baby Badger making a special guest appearance on today's vlog. I would have showed you that we changed the oil and all, but she got there a little late, and so we were hurrying around, so I just now turned it on. We are 45 minutes out just because traffic, and then we're gonna eat, and then it's Pink concert time. Here we go.
Hey! I hijacked his... We're eating at TJI Fridays. Did you tell him that already?
Sucks.
It wasn't so good. Now we're gonna go get ice cream or a dessert or something, right? Right?
guess. I was just gonna get something here, but now I guess we gotta travel somewhere.
You just said it sucks.
All right, we've moved to the phone, but we're in a little cart. We have our driver up there. He's doing an awesome job. Andrew is carting us to the concert because we're like 10 minutes away. Got music, got everything. So away we go. Oh, look, we got Christmas lights too. How do you fucking beat that?
You know how I do it.
Right? Where's the Christmas tree at? There you go. Tight squeeze. There's the Christmas tree right there.
Look, there's even some snowflakes hanging too.
Perfect.
We're really festive now.
Right.
Is that really bad that I didn't see the snowflake? I saw people and I thought he was calling them snowflakes. Anyway, away we go. All right, Pink's over. What'd you think?
I laughed, I cried, I screamed, I sang. I did it all.
She did it all. And now we're doing nothing except sitting here, and we have been here for 15 minutes? Probably 15 minutes. We have not moved, not a single inch in 15 minutes. I have no hope for us getting out of here anytime soon. It is midnight. So it's Monday morning. Welcome to Monday morning. Anyway, once we get out of here, we'll go to the hotel, which is like 15-20 minutes. Then editing the video, another couple hours. It's gonna be a late night.
It was worth it. Every penny.
Mama Badger says it was worth every penny. What do you girls think?
Oh, it was amazing.
Amazing?
She
Okay.
puts on a show. I want to be like Pink.
She wants to grow up to be like Pink.
Too.
Anyway,
I think Pink's
I hope that we get out of here at some point in time. Until then, that's it. The end. We're headed home tomorrow, and we will see you tomorrow.